In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ffmpeg. First, you got to download ffmpeg. And after you download, it's in the downloads folder. You might want to put it somewhere that it's easier to access. I'm going to put in C. You can put it anywhere, but to be easier, I will just put it at the root folder. I paste it here. If you open this folder, there's a bin folder called ffmpeg. A little background. So in Windows, every disk you can split into patterns. So it's like a tree structure. There are C drive and D drive. Each of the partition called drive. There's C drive and D drive. Now we put it in C drive, and all the files, like trees, like leaves and branches on a tree. The branches are folders, and the leaves are called files. The folders has an icon like a folder, of course. And different files has different icons. But for the executable, it's like this. But to be aware, this is only available in terminal. It doesn't have a UI. ffmpeg doesn't have a UI. And the extension called exe it's an executable. Let's start a terminal. We can use command prompt. When you open it, it shows where your folder structure is. The current path is C:/\users/your name. Since we put it on the root folder ffmpeg and /bin, this is where you want to go. Okay, you use a command called cd, change directory. Cd, you can use C:/\. If you look at here, it's called ffmpeg. And next is bin. Okay, use \bin. Also, you can just in this file explorer, if you click the address bar, it actually shows you what the address is. It's C, and you can select it and press Ctrl+C to select it. And then here, you can use CD, Ctrl+V to paste it. And you press Enter. You will see the command prompt show you that you're under C:/ffmpeg/bin. While you're here, you can type ffmpeg to execute your executable. And now, if you want to convert a file, you can open another tab in your Files Explorer to find where the file you want to convert is. In this example, it's in D drive. And if we go to video recordings, we can choose any file to convert. And if we want use, can use this one as an example. You can also use Ctrl+C to copy this path and then find this like this, ffmpeg-i. I means input. It's short for input. You can paste, because we copied in this file explorer, we can paste and then type in the file name of this file that you want to convert. You select it. If you look at here, if you click once, it doesn't select the mkv of this file. The mkv is the extension. But to make the command prompt recognize it, you have to select the whole file name, include the extension. And you could go back to the command prompt and you paste it. And if you notice, there is a space in the file name. So that's where the command prompt doesn't like space. It thinks it's another parameter. So you might want to use quote to quote it. Either double or single quote will work. And now you press enter. It will show you what codec the current file is. Another way to choose a file is you can right click this file and choose properties. Actually, you don't need to. I've just found this one in Windows 11. Maybe it's a new thing. You can use the copy as path. And then you can use ffmpeg-i. As I said before, it stands for input. And remember to quote it. -i to quote this file and paste. Oh, actually, this copy as path include the quote for us already. So press enter. Now it shows you the codec of current file is H.264 and the resolution is 2580 by 1080p. Now let's set the codec that we really want to convert it into. Where is that text file?
In bin.
Bin. Okay. So last time when we ran it, we saved a script, saved it to help us convert. So we
put
want
the script in the description.
Okay, so we want use video, still keep it as H.264. This lib X264 is a library that ffmpeg use. And the pixel format will still be YUV 480p. And we paste it. And now we will choose an output file. You can put it anywhere, but to be simple, I put it current where the ffmpeg is. I will just name it output.mp4. So when you choose set to mp4, ffmpeg will automatically choose mp4 as your container, the container of your video file. So press enter. And if there's file already named output.mp4, it will ask you if you want to overwrite. You press Y to mean yes, and then press enter. Now the convert started. All right, it finished, and you will notice that there's a new output.mp4 in the ffmpeg /bin folder, because that's where we run this ffmpeg command. Now I'm going to show you a trick that can help you run this command. We're going to add ffmpeg to your system path. You're going to go to System Properties. We click Start, System Properties. Going to go to View Advanced System Settings. Oh, there you go. In here, you need to choose environment variables. Now, if you look here, there's a path. There are two sections. One is user variable for your username, and then there is system variables. We can use either both. But if you only set your username, then it's only available for your current user. You can click Edit, and you can click New. And then here you can type /ffmpeg/bin. That's where, depends on where you put your ffmpeg. Right now we put it in /ffmpeg/bin. Okay, you click OK, you click OK again, and you click OK to close it. Now next time when you run ffmpeg, you don't need to go to c:/ffmpeg. You can run it anywhere. So next time, if you want to convert a file in your d:, video recordings, you can use cd. I don't want to use PowerShell. Let's go back to command prompt. You can still run cd and paste the path. It's d:/recordings. And because there's a space in the folder name, we're going to use quote to quote it.
Remember, you can't use your mouse.
And if you look, it still shows c:/users and then your username. That's because in command prompt, when you change path, if you change the drive, you need to use d:, to change to the drive you selected. Now it's going to be easier to do because it's right here. Let's say still use this file as an example, and if we right click and copy as path, now we can just write right here ffmpeg -i. We don't need quote because last time we checked, it copied the double quote as well. We paste, and now we put the other parameters from here. We can use -c, v, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Now, here, you can give it a meaningful name. Like, I like to use the same file name here, but with the .mp4. mp4. Now, don't include any backslash or anything because right now you're in d: video recordings folder. Now you can press enter. And you will see it created a file in the same folder with a different extension .mp4. Alright, that's how you use ffmpeg. Thank you.